Hello and welcome. In today's video I want to show you how to recover your deleted data from USB drive, HDD, SSD, etc. Let's go. To do it we will need special software. I will use a program called Stellar Data Recovery. All links will be in the description. Go to the official site and click here Free Download. Now open the download. Before installing the app, you should remember one thing. Do not install the app on a disk you want to recover files from, because if you do this, you will decrease chances to recover your data. So be careful with that. And as you can see here, you can select your language. In my case, so let it be English. Then press next. Now wait until it ends. As you can see, I have prepared some files here. It's an image, it's an important document with important information, and a video. Now let's write them to one of my SSDs. Here it is, paste, done. And now somehow we have accidentally deleted all files from our disk. It's empty. So what should we do now? Don't worry, we can recover them. Open the app, go to recover from, and now all you need is to select a disk which you want to recover files from. In my case, this is local disk E. So I select local disk E and press scan. The scanning time depends on the capacity of your drive. And now as you can see, it has found some files. Let's check them. To recover deleted files, you need to select them and then specify the destination path. So I just select my files and then press recover. Now select the destination path. In my case, let it be local disk C. Then press save and wait until it ends. As you can see, my files were recovered successfully. Let's check them. And as you can see, we have the image, the document, and the video. All of these files were recovered successfully. Nice. If you still can't find your files, you can use a deep scan. This will take longer than usual, but it will increase your chances of finding your files. You can also sort the files by extension. For example, photos, JPEG extension, documents, docx extension, and video, MP4 extension. This way you can save a lot of time when searching for your deleted files. In the same way you can recover information not only from an SSD, but also from a USB flash drive, a hard drive, an NVMe SSD, in simple terms, from any storage device. By the way, also here, what to recover, you can also select what you want to recover. If you want to add a specific file extension, you can do it in Add Raw File Formats. As you can see, it already has most common extensions: photo, audio and video formats, also document formats, application formats, etc. If you want to add an extension manually, you need to click here, Add File Type. To do it, you will need to add a file with the same extension right here. You can also specify other file attributes, for example, maximum file size. If your scan is complete and you need to continue using your computer, you can simply save it and later, if needed, load it back into the program. That's how you can simply recover your deleted files from any storage device. If you're interested, all links will be in the description. Thanks for watching. If this video helps, press the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section. See you later, bye.